Friends, in this lesson, we will learn about some more adverbs. And adverbs, just use of adverbs in different forms, they are slowly coming to just our thoughts. And when we are making sentences, automatically they come. We need not just think which adverb will come where, but as we start framing sentences, these adverbs will come automatically, and once we have read them, when somebody is speaking Russian, we'll be able to understand in case we have read these adverbs. So starting from because is, it is a combination of two words, потому что, but when it is spoken, because потому что, it is потому что, means you will not understand even that it is a combination of two words. It is otherwise it is потому что, so it is spoken as потому что. Then entirely is, you see, совершенно, like this. Everywhere is везде. Here is this or тут. Here is this or тут. Immediately сразу. Never никогда, as I told you in previous lesson also. Sometimes иногда, never никогда. Nobody is никто. Кто is who, then nobody никто. Nothing is ничего. Nowhere, it is нигде. Где is where, nowhere, нигде. Quite, совсем, quite. Several is нисколько. Then so is так or столько. Then there is там. Therefore is потому, like because, потому что, therefore потому. This much or many, it is столько. This much or this many or many, it is столько. Together is вместе. It is вместе. Usually, it is обычно. Very is очень. Every time they'll say, как дела? Очень хорошо. Very good. Like this. Which, who, whom. It is который. Which, who, whom. It is который. Then you see, yet is show. Yet. Then from anywhere, it will be откуда-нибудь. From anywhere, откуда-нибудь. From somewhere, откуда-то. Then to anywhere, it is куда-нибудь, and to somewhere, куда-то. You will see this combination is there. So again we will take starting from because is потому что, entirely, совершенно, then everywhere, везде, here, здесь or тут, immediately, сразу, never, никогда, nobody, никто, nothing, ничего, then nowhere, it is нигде, quite, совсем, several, it is нисколько, so, так or столько, there, it is там, therefore, потому, then this much or many, it is столько, then together, it is вместе. Usually, обычно, very, очень, then which, who or whom, it will be который. It is который. Yet is еще. Then from anywhere, откуда-нибудь. From somewhere, откуда-то. Then to anywhere, куда-нибудь, and to somewhere, it is куда-то. So these are some of the common adverbs which are frequently used, and in case we learn these adverbs, at least we'll be able to understand much of the sentences. So friends, I hope that this is not that much difficult to understand these adverbs. Thank you very much.